Hi, 4th through 6th graders. This is Ms. G, and today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Classroom for Mr. Mac's class. For our new users, I'm going to show you how we're going to log in. So you want to go ahead and to get into Chrome, on the district Chromebook, you want to go ahead and just type in your username. And then you want to go ahead and type in your password. For returning students, you have a new password. You can locate that in the manila envelope that was handed out during materials pickup. Once you've logged in, you want to locate your menu bar. For many of you, it's going to be on the bottom of your Chromebook. For some of you, you reconfigured it to be on either the left or the right side. It will be a black bar that pops up. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the Chrome icon. And then once you do that, it will launch you into the Google home screen. For those of you who do not know how to get into Saddleport, in the search bar, the easiest way is just to go ahead and type in Saddleport. And then you want to go ahead and just click on this first link. And for those of you who are new to us, we're going to be using this frequently. Even Mr. Mac will be using it frequently. So you want to go ahead and bookmark it. You can do that by looking for the star on the right of the address bar. If it is gray, that means it's not bookmarked. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on that star. I'm going to keep everything the same. I'm going to click on done. And now it's going to show up in my bar. So whenever I launch a new tab, I will see the Saddleport, and I can just go from there. Now that we have that bookmarked, I'm going to go ahead and type in my username and then type in my password. For our returning students, you want to update it and type in your new password, and then you want to make sure that you save those new changes. Same for our new parents. Once you click on log in, you're going to notice there might be a pop-up alert that says, do you want to save this password? You definitely want to save it, so you don't need to enter it again. So if you notice, it has saved my login information for me. So now that that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And for 4th through 6th grade, if you've used Google Classroom recently, it's going to show up on your home screen. For some of our new students, you're going to need to locate it. So on the very bottom of our Saddleport, there are some words, and you want to just look for it in applications. So you might just want to start with the first one, which is applications. And I happen to see it on this one. Hopefully you'll see it on your first one. If you didn't see it on this one, you can go ahead and just click on the second one or the third one. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. And now that I have located, this is Google Classroom, I'm going to click on that. And Mr. Mac already had you joined to his classroom. So all you need to do is look for his Google Classroom called McMasters. You will not see my classroom. This is for my hybrid students. So you're going to go ahead and just click on that Google Classroom, and you're all set. Now, Mr. Mac will have specific directions. He probably will have stuff in classwork. So that's primarily where our teachers leave our assignments. And that's how you get into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, you can always contact Mr. Mac, or if you would like to contact me, you can also contact me.